Have you ever wondered how to truly transform your hair from thin, fragile strands into thick, healthy locks that radiate vitality and strength? It's a question that so many people ask, often after noticing increased hair fall, slow growth, or just an overall dullness that wasn't there before. The journey toward healthier, thicker hair is not something that happens overnight, but rather, it's a combination of understanding your hair's needs, nourishing it from the inside out, treating it gently, and maintaining consistency in your care routine. Every strand of hair has a story, a root that connects not just to your scalp, but also to your lifestyle, your nutrition, your environment, and even your mental well-being. If you're seeking real change, not just a temporary fix, then taking the time to learn about the process, to observe how your hair responds to certain treatments, and to build a routine rooted in care and patience is key. First, let's talk about nutrition. Hair is made of a protein called keratin, and if your diet lacks sufficient protein, you may begin to notice that your hair becomes brittle, thin, and weak. Incorporating high-protein foods into your daily meals, like eggs, lean meats, legumes, and dairy, can significantly help rebuild the strength of your hair over time. But protein isn't the only nutrient your hair craves. Iron, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and biotin all play crucial roles in supporting hair growth and thickness. These nutrients help carry oxygen to your hair follicles, repair damaged cells, and stimulate the production of healthy, new strands. It's not uncommon for people to realize that simply improving their eating habits and staying hydrated with plenty of water each day can have a visible impact on their hair within a few months. The body recognizes when it's being properly nourished, and it rewards that attention with improvements in your skin, your nails, and yes, your hair. In addition to diet, your scalp health is a massive factor in how well your hair grows. A healthy scalp is like fertile soil for plants. If it's dry, clogged, or inflamed, the hair follicles simply can't thrive. Massaging the scalp regularly with oils such as coconut oil, castor oil, or rosemary essential oil stimulates blood circulation and encourages the hair roots to become more active. When you massage your scalp, you're not just relaxing yourself, you're actively encouraging new hair growth. This practice has been used in many cultures for generations and is backed by modern science as well. Oil massages help to moisturize the scalp, remove dead skin, and nourish the roots of your hair directly with beneficial compounds. You can even warm the oil slightly before applying it to enhance penetration and comfort. Allowing the oil to sit for an hour or more before washing it out can deeply condition the hair and prevent breakage. Moving on, the kinds of hair products you use matter more than you might think. Many people unintentionally damage their hair simply by using shampoos and conditioners that are too harsh. Sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances found in common hair care products can strip the scalp of its natural oils, leaving the hair dry, frizzy, and prone to damage. Switching to sulfate-free and natural products can make a world of difference. These gentler formulas cleanse the hair without disrupting its natural moisture balance. You don't need a long list of complicated ingredients. Sometimes the best products are the simplest ones, infused with botanical extracts like aloe vera, chamomile, or tea tree oil. Weekly treatments using homemade or store-bought hair masks that contain ingredients like honey, yogurt, avocado, or banana can help add moisture, shine, and strength back into your hair, making it more resilient over time. Protecting your hair from damage is equally important. Many people use heat styling tools like flat irons, curling wands, or blow dryers every day without realizing how much stress that puts on the hair shaft. Repeated exposure to high temperatures weakens the protein structure in your hair, leading to split ends, frizz, and thinning. If you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand and keep the temperature at the lowest effective setting. Letting your hair air dry more often, or using heat-free styling methods such as braids or buns, can significantly reduce breakage and keep your hair healthier in the long run. Additionally, avoid brushing your hair aggressively, especially when it's wet. Wet hair is more elastic and prone to snapping, so using a wide tooth comb or a brush designed for detangling can help reduce damage. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Sleep is another often overlooked factor in hair care. Believe it or not, the way you sleep can affect your hair health. Friction from cotton pillowcases can cause breakage, frizz, and tangles. Switching to silk or satin pillowcases can help your hair retain moisture and reduce mechanical damage. Tying your hair loosely at night, instead of leaving it down or tying it too tightly, can also prevent unnecessary pulling and breakage. Plus, getting enough rest, both in quality and quantity, supports your overall health, which in turn reflects in your hair. Did you know stress plays a huge role in hair thinning and hair loss? When the body is under constant stress, it releases hormones like cortisol, which can disrupt the natural growth cycle of your hair, pushing more strands into the shedding phase. That's why people often notice increased hair fall during periods of high emotional or physical stress. Practicing stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, regular exercise, or even simple breathing exercises can help restore balance in the body. Reducing stress not only helps your mind, but also gives your hair a better chance to grow thick and healthy. Hydration cannot be emphasized enough. Your hair, like the rest of your body, needs water to stay vibrant and strong. When you're dehydrated, your hair may become dry, brittle, and less likely to grow properly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Water flushes out toxins and supports the transportation of nutrients throughout your system, ensuring that your hair follicles receive everything they need to function optimally. Now, let's talk about consistency. One of the biggest challenges in any hair growth journey is sticking to a routine. People often try a product or a method for a week or two and give up when they don't see immediate results. But hair grows slowly, and changes in thickness or texture may take several months to become visible. The key is to find a sustainable routine that fits into your lifestyle and to stick with it, even when progress feels slow. Another tip worth exploring is trimming your hair regularly. It might seem counterintuitive to cut your hair when you're trying to grow it, but regular trims help to remove split ends and prevent further damage from creeping up the shaft of the hair. By keeping your ends healthy, your hair appears fuller and feels smoother, and you reduce the chance of breakage, allowing your strands to grow longer over time. Genetics do play a role in hair density and texture, but that doesn't mean you're powerless. While you may not be able to completely change your natural hair type, you can absolutely influence its health, resilience, and volume through dedicated care. Hair that's well-nourished, well-treated, and consistently protected can thrive regardless of its type. Finally, it's essential to approach your hair care routine with love and patience. Our hair is deeply personal. It's tied to our identity, our self-esteem, and even our culture. Taking the time to care for your hair isn't just about appearance. It's an act of self-care, of self-respect, and of nurturing something that's uniquely yours. No matter where you're starting from, whether you're dealing with postpartum hair loss, hormonal changes, stress-related thinning, or just a desire for a fuller look, there is always a path forward. Every small change adds up, and with time, consistency, and care, your hair can become stronger, thicker, and more beautiful than ever before. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.